Hi, fourth grade, Miss Dunn here, and I'm going to teach a lesson today about the importance of capital letters, where they belong, and what we would put capital letters in with our writing. I know that this can be a little bit of a tough thing for us to practice, so this lesson could and should help you and will help you grow as a writer. So there are different times in this lesson that we'll pause, not the video, just pause our thoughts, and you will think about the question that I ask. And that could be a time where if I say, oh, share to someone in your house, your brother or sister, your grandmother or grandpa, or your dog, your cat, your stuffy. For me, I usually will sit and think and then talk to my imaginary friend Steve. That's the beauty of living alone. So from there, we're just going to edit a document that I created. You will see the editing marks, and then you will also have a chance to choose the correct capital letters and all of that. So there could be glitches. I'm hoping they're not, but if there are, just know that this is the first time I'm doing a full lesson like this out loud, so it might happen a little bit. So without further ado, let's go in on our lesson, and I hope that you enjoy it and you will learn, and I will see you at the end of the lesson. Bye.
So when are some times that capital letters are used in our writing? For names of people, places, for names of people, places, and or things and animals. So for example, if I was writing my dad's name, Mr. Crabtree, we would have, his name is Ronald Dunn. And do you see here that not only was his first name capitalized, but also his last name. And then if we want to talk about maybe a Siberian tiger, that would be that you would use capital letters too, because it's a proper name of the tiger. Then we can also use it for places, kind of like the South Center Mall. So we have all of those different times that we can do it. You also use it when you're using the letter I in meaning yourself. Like, I ate a whole pizza pie. So I ate a whole pizza pie. I wouldn't use a lowercase because I'm talking about myself, even if it's in the middle of a sentence. Another time you use capital letters is at the beginning of your sentences. And I know that this is something that we have some trouble with while we are doing our writing, especially our rough drafts. We're definitely a little bit slower with remembering, oh, wait, I have to put a capital letter at the beginning, so then when we're editing, you can really see the spots that you knew you needed to put a capital letter, and people are able to find it easier. But I know that some of us are definitely trying hard to remember some of these times that we would put capital letters through our writing. So here we have a big paragraph that I have written, and don't mind the stuff on the top or the bottom. It's just a whole beautiful part of editing. So let's go through my first sentence. Hi, I'm Miss Dunn, and I am here to teach you about using capital letters in sentences. So now, which letter, if I was editing my work, would I have to capitalize? Give you a minute to think. Maybe turn and talk to somebody next to you, or a stuffy, or your dog or cat, or maybe even your fish, or your imaginary friend named Steve. All right, so, hi, it's already capitalized. I'm Miss Dunn. When I sign my name in the mornings, do you see that I have them lowercase? No, I have those two letters in my name capitalized. And here you see that I picked, our editing marks of our two lines underneath. So I know that I need to capitalize those when I do my final draft. So this paragraph will have lots of errors and I will need your help to edit it. Take a minute, turn to somebody or something and think about it. All right, so starting out, look, I didn't make a capital letter to start my sentence. So this paragraph will have a lot of errors, and remember what I said about when you use it, when you're talking about yourself, that needs to be capitalized. So my next sentence, I'll need your help to edit it. I think the rest of that sentence looks okay. If you are not aware, I am from Pennsylvania, and I am 36 years young. Oh, wait, I mean old. And this was written a little bit further back when I was 36. So now I can even change this, that I need to edit it, and I can change that to 7 because now I'm 37. So here I'm missing my capital letter. So if you're not aware, I am from Pennsylvania. Oh, Pennsylvania is a proper name of a place. And I am 37 years young. Oh, wait, I mean old. So here's our next sentence already, and I didn't start that with a capital letter. I have been teaching for 13 years, and I have loved every minute of it. Right here, look, I'm looking at my I, and it's not capitalized. I especially love when students correct my work, as I am getting old and make a lot of mistakes. I don't see any in that one. Do you like to correct your lovely teacher, Miss Dunn? Ooh, that's not capitalized. And my name is not capitalized again. Man, I made a lot of mistakes. And there are 12 mistakes in this paragraph. Now let's hope that I caught them all. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Maybe it's 11 and not 12. Let's go back and re-edit it. So hi, I'm Miss Dunn, and I am here to teach you about using proper capital letters in sentences. This paragraph will have a lot of errors, and I will need your help to finish it. If you are not aware, I am from Pennsylvania and am 37 years young. Oh wait, I mean old. I have been teaching for 13 years, and I've loved every minute of it. I especially love when students correct my work, as I am getting old and make a lot of mistakes. Do you like to correct your lovely teacher, Miss Dunn? There are 12 mistakes in this paragraph. So it looks like I got them all, so let's recount them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I even made a mistake there. So I'm going to cross that out, and I'm going to make that an 11. So just another little mistake that I made there. And so if there were, I didn't read this last sentence. Oh, there's Miss Dunn being silly. So there's 12 mistakes in this paragraph. Totally forgot. Did we get them all? Forgot that capital letter. Remember, your teacher, like me, will sometimes make mistakes, and that's okay. That's where we are. So it looks like now we finally got our 12 and we have them all together. Now that was my fault because I just totally missed that last sentence. But those are times when you're looking at your writing of how to edit when it needs to be capitalized.
Welcome back. So think in your head, was there anything new that you learned or something that you needed to practice more with your writing? And I will say it the rest of the year when I'm teaching writing, and when you're revising and editing your work, it is so important for you to read your sentences out loud, because it gives another thing just besides looking at it to know where things could be changed. And as you're looking at it, then you also change it when you write your final draft. That's something that we're noticing as fourth grade teachers, is that we do all of this time editing, but then we don't take our editing marks into our new writing. And that could be a little tough, and that makes your writing, kind of where it was. And our whole idea is that we progress with our writing, and we need to correct the errors when we have them, and we need to move them to our final draft. So then I know that you have taken the time to edit, and you did a partner edit maybe, and then you have to take those and move them to your final draft. So on Wednesday, so today is Monday, on Wednesday, we will learn a bit about ending punctuation. So I hope this was fun, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.